We're at Dreamtime Creations booth with Kellie, also known as the Crystal Ninja.
Yep, nice to meet you.
Yeah, and we're really excited to see you. I'm using your pickup tool. It's really great. So I have a question. What are the 3 top products every nail technician should have?
Right. I'm going to have to say, of course, a crystal katana tool, a selection of wonderful Swarovski crystals, and the proper glue to adhere them with. Yeah.
And I heard you just launched some new glue for the crystals.
I did. I have an automotive grade glue that I love to use on our car parts and our leather shoes and things, but because it's non-toxic, no odor, and non-irritant, it's safe for nails.
Oh, wow. Yeah, I've seen this video where you did the car full of crystals.
Right, yeah, the whole thing, yep.
And you did it one by one?
One by one, just using one tool.
Oh, wow. Okay, so how long did it take you?
It took me 39 days.
Awesome. And how much did you sell it for?
I brought it to Barrett-Jackson, a collector car auction, and sold it for $110,000.
Can we see this new glue in action?
Of course, let's do it. You get 3 syringes to start with in your packaging, and then you have to mix out a little bit over on a spare napkin. You have to squeeze out at least this much first for that to get a nice good mix inside that syringe. Then you can go directly onto the nail or onto your item, whichever you're working on. This glue is very thick. It has no odor, it is non-toxic, and it's a non-irritant, and that qualifies it to be safe for nails. You grab your stone with your crystal katana tool, you touch the glue, it's going to stick because the glue is always more sticky than the tip of this tool. And then, let's put a few more on here. This glue is great for building clusters. It's super strong and durable, and it stays flexible, and that's one of the reasons why it holds up on nails so well, because it goes through all the shock of your hands that hit things throughout the day, all the dishes, all the chores and things. And then we'll put a few small ones in the side. You can easily stack this glue and add things to the edges. It's really very easy to work with, and it kind of has almost no limitations except the time. It's a very fast cure. 1 to 2 minutes is all you have to work. And then we have a 1-part glue. It's called Ninja Super Grip, and it's great for just the little flat onesie-twosies. When you're putting on just those little flat backs, it's going to work out great for you. I'll put a little size 7 here. And the size dot usually should be about half the size of the stone that you're going to be putting on. And I wanted to find a size 5 in here. Oh, there it is. And that's a very fast cure. You have like 30 seconds before that one's bonded. And that is it. You should normally take your liner brush with a top coat and go around all of your facets. That way it's not going to get snagged in your hair. And that's it. That's how you do a cluster and a flat back on a nail.
Is you say it's non-toxic, it's not going to be harmful for normally cyanoacrylate glues, whether we're doing it with medical or does it have the skin lightener HEMA in it? Because a lot of people do have allergies from that, I've noticed.
It does not have that chemical in it, and it does not have the ethyl cyanoacrylate, which most nail glues have, and that is totally not safe for nails. This does not have that in it. It's completely safe to be on your nails.
Can you show us just the presentation, just show us those and talk about the price of each of those glues, please?
Yes. So we have the Ninja SuperFlex comes in a box. You get your glue, your plunger, 3 of the mixing tips, and it's $25. Our show special is for $20. And then we have the single part Ninja Super Grip. It doesn't come with any tips, but we have syringes and small 25 gauge tips for $5. So those work well together. And then you can buy extra tips for $5.95 as well.
And how many of the extra tips?
5 pieces. Yes, about $1 each, and just add that to your client, to the service. Yeah.
And what would you charge? So
I'm not familiar with what nail techs charge because I'm not a nail tech. Some of these pieces can range up to $5 to $10 a stone, so you have to incorporate that into your pricing. Yeah. So yeah, you're so welcome. Yeah, it's a pleasure.
You have this one.
Yeah. Go ahead. Yeah. Ninja Fast.